Hi, I'm Andy Parkin. As the Managing Director of a multi-award-winning company, Screed, I'm often asked about mixing floor levelling compounds and how this impacts on the final floor. Here are some of the best tips for getting a great mix when using a floor levelling compound. If a surface has a lot of small irregularities, it can significantly impact the wear and appearance of the final flooring layer. Using a floor levelling compound can help to reduce and even eliminate these, giving a smooth finish on which to place your carpet, laminate, tiles or other wearing surfaces. Getting the mix right. Always mix a floor levelling compound in accordance with manufacturer's instructions. Different products work more effectively when mixed at different ratios. Once you have established the mix, you will want to make sure that the materials are combined correctly, so I advise you to use an electric drill mixer rather than to try and mix by hand. A speed of under 300 RPM is best and should be continued until you have a completely smooth and lump-free product. Once you have mixed the floor levelling compound, leave it for a few minutes and then remix for 30 seconds to make sure you have completely integrated the mix with the water. When you have mixed the floor levelling compound to the correct consistency, you can proceed to application. The mix should be poured directly onto a properly prepared substrate. Once in place, you can work the compound with a trowel and make sure it covers the entire area, including corners, obstructions and so on, and that it is leveled down to the correct depth. Once you are happy that the floor is level and well prepared, use some of the floor levelling compounds on the existing floor to blend it in with the newly laid screed. Pay specific attention to how smooth your floor levelling compound is before you let it dry. If there are any imperfections, make sure they are removed. For slabs and tiles, this means there should be a variation of no more than 5 mm over a 2 metre area. Self-levelling compound drying times. Drying times vary according to the specific product used, but a guide is always given by the manufacturer. For some products, the drying time can be as little as 4 hours, but you can expect to wait up to 24 hours before you can place a floor, especially if using vinyl or carpet, because any moisture left in the screed will gradually enter the flooring and cause damage. When using self-levelling compounds in areas that need waterproofing, you will need to leave it for at least 24 hours before placing a membrane. As with many other products, there are different types of floor levelling compound produced for different use cases, so be sure to check that the product is fit for purpose before it is delivered to site. For more advice, please take a look at some of our other articles or contact our office staff for more information.